Jogchum Bruinsma, Nedstack Fuel Cell Technology, and I'm the Chief Commercial Officer.
If you could please, for the camera, explain some of the latest developments in fuel cell technology.
Yeah, I think the latest developments in fuel cells that we really see it tag on. So we have first ships in commercial operation sailing with fuel cells every day. There's a lot more to come. A lot of ships are already at the shipyard being outfitted with fuel cells. And we also, at Nedstack, we also see the next development. And I think in the maritime market, we're seeing more, where there's a next generation of fuel cells for maritime are coming up. And that's also what we are working on, is a whole new maritime-oriented fuel cell stack and system, specifically targeting the shipping industry.
And what are the capacities of the latest next generation fuel cells that you mentioned?
So we will be building fuel cell systems of 300 kilowatt as a sort of a basic building block. We're really targeting the high power seagoing ships, but also inland shipping is easily 1 to 2 megawatts. So having a block which sort of gives you redundancy, but also significant size, is something that we're now targeting, with maybe some even larger fuel cell stacks and technology coming up. But I think with like 300 kilowatt building blocks that you can put in parallel, you can do address a lot of the market already.
And you talked about building a gigafactory. Where are you in that project?
Well, we are we're closing in that project. So we're building a gigawatt factory in the Netherlands. We're close to the lease of our building. We have all of our quotes ready to sign. So yeah, we're really very much advancing. The product sort of outline is finished. The first samples are already on test benches, looking absolutely great. So we are planning to start production of our first samples in the course of next year, being able to already operate a little bit so that we can go to the market with first ships also in 2025.
Why are you here at this conference? What do you get from being at the Maritime Hybrid Electric and Hydrogen Fuel Cell Conference?
I think here in Bergen at the Electric and Hybrid Fuel Cell Conference, I come to see my friends. There's a lot of first movers, early adopters, and also I think like-minded people that really want to advance in the maritime industry. And it started, of course, years ago with battery, hybrid, long before the whole market is there. And now we're talking already about fuel cells and hydrogen for a couple of years now. So being here, meeting those other innovative minds and trying to find ways forward is really great. And of course, Bergen is a great city to be. Very strategic, also located within the maritime Norwegian industry, which is of course also very important as a front runner when it comes to hydrogen.